Welcome back everyone. Today we're doing a full, detailed breakdown of Digiscope.me, the best real-time dashboard for DigiByte and DigiDollar. If you want to understand what's really happening on the chain, track holder behavior, or see live DigiDollar stats, this is the tool. We'll cover what it is, the key features, step by step how to use it, and most importantly, how you can earn DigiByte by engaging with the platform. Let's dive in. So first of all, this is the homepage where you will be required to log in, as you can see right here, and you will see some interesting news features. So the DigiDollar activation is currently live on mainnet. There's a DigiDollar creators bonus, which could get you 5,000 digibytes per week if you submit a DigiByte video. So the first things we're going to be focusing on in Digiscope is explore, learn, and the Enigma and community buttons will come later. What can you do? You can also bet on prediction pools by DigiByte, but we will start with the explore phase. So we can check the exchange analytics. You can see it currently monitoring 132 addresses holding over 7 billion digibytes. And you can already see the network health, the MVRV ratio, supply and profit, and the active addresses. In total, about 8 billion digibytes are tracked. Around 42% of the supply is on exchanges, and about 28 platforms have been tracked. First place goes to Binance, second place to Crypto.com, and third place to Bitvavo. I don't think this will surprise anyone. Altogether, if you want to make some strong inputs and some less tricky behavior from cryptocurrencies, we should be the one owning our own keys, and we should always try to remove them from circulation in the exchanges. The distribution by exchange, the holding comparison, and the exchange balances over time can be shown in the exchanges page. Besides that, another cool thing you can see is the big whale transactions, which will pop up down below. I already tried to record this video. Unfortunately, it did leave out some parts of the audio, so I'm doing it again. Don't worry, I will still be able to show you how you can earn digibytes. Network analytics is the next part we'll be discussing. You can see that the DigiDollar has been launched, and currently there are over 14 million digibytes locked, with a DigiUSD supply of around $12,400 in the first day. Collateral ratio is around 400%, which makes it a really healthy network. Below this, you can see the MVRV ratio, the net unrealized profit loss comparison, and this is something that's very interesting for most investors. When most people are in profit, you will see profit taken, and when most people are in loss, you will see buying opportunities. Besides that, the market value versus the realized value is currently located at around 1 to 5. So the realized price should be about 1.5 cents in comparison to it being maybe a quarter of a cent right now. Another cool thing to follow is the growth of the addresses with balances. So send someone some digibytes, make some more addresses, because over the last half year, we have seen quite a good increase in balances. We have seen about 100,000 extra addresses pop up. And if you don't have already a DigiByte address, make sure to download a DigiByte wallet. There's currently an Android test version, which I would really highly recommend for you to test out. Get an address, log into this place, and get yourself some first digibytes. Reported trading volume, which is actual trading volume, the active addresses over 7 days, over 30 days, and over the last day, and the total amount of transactions in a single day. On-chain volume and coins they destroyed plus dormancy are all things which could help you make beneficial decisions. And don't think this is something you should take for granted, because these details are also available in the Bitcoin blockchain. However, you're paying chain analysis and companies like that hundreds of euros each month to get the same results. Another cool thing I want to touch my hands on is the UTXO H distribution, aka the HODL waves. You can see that a lot of addresses haven't even been touched for over 5 years. 20% of the supply hasn't been touched in 5 years. And you can see that a lot of people are in the diamond hands category. I'd say if you have been holding over 2 years, then you're a real diamond hands holder. Wealth distribution is also something that's cool to take a look at. Most of the wealth is held by 117 addresses, of which I think most of them are addresses from exchanges, and that's also why it's so important to please remove your coins from exchanges. Put them in your own wallet. to be in control of your own keys and to ensure that there will be less tricky stuff going on in the future. Another cool thing is the Enigma tip bot. I'm one of the 198 tippers. Tip sense around 919, tip volume over 3 million digibytes, and about 2 million digibytes have been supported. If you want some free digibytes, make sure to check this video out on X. Show proof that you've liked the videos, maybe put out a comment or something, help this video reach more people, and I'll send you some digibyte in return. Historical hash rate and the 5 algorithm hash rate are some of the things that the network page will also be showing you. So besides that, you can get into mining, you can see the enigmatic protocol, DigiByte wallets, you can trace stolen digibytes, and these are all things for other videos. If you have any subjects from the Explore page that you would like me to dive deeper in, be sure to let me know, because now I'll be showing you how you can earn some more digibytes. So I've just paid out 55.5 digibytes. Unfortunately, I deleted that video because I wanted to keep it into this videos. Altogether, you can earn digibyte by several things. So you can complete quests, solve puzzles, write blog posts, chat with Enigma, report bugs, be a volunteer, support the Oracle, or be a weekly champion. Altogether, I've had 96 achievement with digibyte rewards, and you can see what you could have to do or what you can do to get some free digibytes. As you can see, I've completed 10 quests, I've completed 5 quests, and I will now show you the most easy way to get some free digibytes on the Digiscope platform. Go to the Learn Hub, and this really is a place where you are able to get some knowledge about blockchain altogether. Whether you're in DigiByte, whether you're in another coin, make sure you learn these things while earning some free digibytes, because this could really help you be set up for the future. You can see here all of these have been completed by me, and you can see that for the last, like DigiShield and DigiSpeed, I have received 10 digibytes. So going further down, you can see that for my Digiscope wallet, I've also returned 15 digibyte. And as you can see, I've got a lot more quests to explore. This one will give me 20 digibytes. This one will give me 25 digibytes, and so on to really get you learning and earning into the DigiByte community and become a valuable community member. So far, so good. I think this is quite a nice introduction for you to earn some free digibyte, for you to see what it takes to actually get some digibytes and to be a better understander of the DigiByte community. I would like to ask you to please try out the Android test app. This is also available with DigiDollar, and this is also the place where you can receive your DigiID to log in to digiscope.me. So please check out the DigiByte's mobile wallet, download for Android, and get your own tip wallet. Altogether, DigiByte gives you a real edge by showing transparent on-chain truth. It's community-driven and helps the entire DigiByte ecosystem grow. Big thanks to the team behind it, and in the next video we'll go even deeper into specific features and advanced strategies. If you have some things you would like me to discuss, please leave them in the comments down below, and head over to digiscope.me right now to download your Android beta wallet. Stay curious, stay decentralized. I'll see you in the next one.